Hi, my name is Patrick Murray from LearnAVProgramming.com. I'm here with Itai Bengal from iRule, a Kramer company. So Itai, what kind of products are you showing here today?
We're very excited. We're very excited to show off our next generation of control called Kramer Control, and this is our first real new system in quite a few years, and we've built it from the ground up, specifically targeted at the commercial and at the enterprise control market.
Okay, so enterprise control, that sounds very network-based. Can you tell me a little more about
Absolutely.
some network aspects?
Any system that's being built nowadays has at its foundation a network. More and more devices live on the network. Networks are pervasive in all of our corporate infrastructure, and it only makes sense to rely on the systems that the corporate environment already leverages and uses on a daily basis. Our system really lives on the network and was designed to fully utilize both the wired and the wireless part of the networks for full coverage.
Okay, so can you tell me a little more about how you set up a room, how to program a system?
Absolutely. So you basically buy one of our brains. It has all the I/O and all the processing that you need.
And that's a device?
And that's a device.
Okay.
Lives in your rack near
Right.
all your sources, and you can wire that up. If you have devices that are far away, maybe you're doing a sports bar or a projector far away, we also have endpoint devices that you can connect farther things. Again, they live on the network. And from that point on, you use our online builder to configure your space. You program the room, how it looks, what it does. Very, very simple, all being drag and drop. Very customizable interface.
So that's where you build the GUI
Yep.
and the control program.
And a control program.
It's all done online.
All done online.
Okay.
Once you're complete, you sync that down to the brain. You push it down. The beauty is if you have 50 rooms, you can push it down to all 50 rooms.
Okay.
So you don't have to walk around and do updates.
Right.
And from there, any UI can be your UI. So iPhones, iPads, Android devices, computers.
Is it a mobile app or is it a web page?
Both. So we have native mobile apps for iOS and Android, as well as native control from PCs and Macs using web browsers.
Is there the possibility to maybe make a custom app?
Absolutely.
With your own branding?
Absolutely.
And what about driver development?
So one of the things that we're very passionate about is giving the integrators the drivers that they need to control all their devices. But sometimes you run into something that's new or maybe it's something custom. What we like to do is we'll obviously help any integrator to assist them with programming the driver and doing anything that's needed. But if they're able to do that, we open up all the tools completely so they can write their own drivers, one-way, two-way, scripting. It's fully open to the integrator to do as much or as little as they want.
That sounds interesting. Can you tell me more about the IDE for the driver development? Like what tools are being used?
So again, it's all online. So if you're in the editor and you need to deep dive into a driver, we have our driver development editor. And from there, you can add commands, delete commands, modify them. If you need to do something very complicated, you can even have Lua scripting to be the engine for the very complex things.
Interesting. And the online builder, that's open to Kramer dealers?
Yes.
Okay. Absolutely. So if anybody's here at ISE this week, where could they find us?
They can find us at the Kramer booth, and we'd love to come and show you and tell you more about it.
Great. Thanks for taking the time to talk to me. To find out more, go to avnation.tv.